It's what we sometimes call a life cycle. For a garage door spring, it's approximately 7 to 10 years. When your garage door spring has an obvious break, you will most likely have some questions. The first question is usually, how can I get my garage door open? The next question is, how much will it cost to replace my spring? You probably want to know how quickly we can fix your problem. Are there warranties for garage door springs? Is it possible for me to replace my spring by myself? You're cordially invited to call us today. You'll discover how affordable it is to replace your garage door spring. In fact, we think you'll be pleasantly surprised at